Hey guys, I hope you're ready to write your first line of JavaScript code. Today we're going to do a simple Hello World application and we're going to see it on the internet. That's going to be cool. Um, First thing you're going to need to do is download Notepad++. I mean, you can use your regular Notepad that comes standard on your computer, but I prefer Notepad++, and it's just a lot easier it's more comprehensive and it's a lot easier to read. So I'm going to put the Notepad++ download link in the comments, not the comment section, but in the description section, so you can go on ahead and download that before we get started, okay? All right. Hi guys. So now that we have Notepad++ downloaded and open, let's go on ahead and save our project. You're going to have a blank file. I just wrote this in, but just save your blank project as, or we're going to save it on our desktop just for ease of access. We're going to save it as index.html. So you're going to type in index.html. I've already saved mine, so I'm not going to press save. I'm going to press cancel, but just go on ahead and press save, and it'll create an icon that looks like this. Or if you're using Internet Explorer, you're wrong. Number one, you should not be using Internet Explorer. But if you're using Internet Explorer, it'll just show the little E sign. I'm just going to press cancel because I already have it saved. So before we get into the JavaScript, I want to go over some very basic HTML stuff. We'll go over HTML more in depth later, but we're going to go over the basic structure of an HTML page. You have your HTML tags. It's going to open tag and close tag. That means everything in between these two tags is going to be HTML code. That's telling your browser that. You also have your head tags. Everything that goes in here is going to be your style sheets, your SEO meta, which we'll go into later on, your title of your page, and your script stuff, which we're going to do now. And your body, between these two tags, is going to be your main page content. So all of your text, all of your pictures, all that stuff is going to go into the body of your page. Let's go on ahead and start with our script tag. Oops. Alright, so what we have here is our script tags, which means that everything between these two tags is going to tell your browser to not read as regular HTML code, but to read as script code. And the script language is going to be JavaScript. Alright, so let's start off with, we're going to start off with a simple Hello World program. So we're going to go document write. Here's our argument. Alright, so let me explain this and break this down to you guys. Document is going to be your browser. Write is what you're asking it to do, so you're asking it to write. Your argument is everything that's in between these two parentheses. And our argument is going to be text, and it's hello world. At the end of every code or every line of JavaScript code, you're going to write, or you're going to have a semicolon. Semicolon tells your browser you're done with this command, move on to the next command. Alrighty. And all the rest of our syntax looks good. So we're going to save this and go to our desktop. click on our index.html icon, and there you have it. Hello world. Congratulations, you guys. You wrote your first line of JavaScript. Okay, next thing we're going to do is do an alert. Basically, an alert is something that pops up on our browser and presents a message. And our message is going to be the same, hello world. So we're going to erase this document write command. Our new command is going to be alert. Still going to have our parentheses for our argument. Argument still going to be hello world. Close parentheses and semicolon. Save it. Then we're going to execute this. Now you've got hello world and an alert. Press OK, then you can close this out. And that's it for this lesson, guys. Stay tuned for next lesson. You can start playing around with this, write different, commands, or not different commands, but different arguments. You can write whatever you want in here. And just start getting comfortable with the structure of the HTML page. You can write it, of course, from scratch. And stay tuned for the next lesson, okay? Remember, guys, code every single day. Practice is the only thing that leads to perfection.